Developers, if you're looking for fresh open source projects to try this week, this video is for you. I've picked 10 of the most interesting trending repositories on GitHub right now, covering AI agents, LLM infrastructure, networking, dev tools, and learning resources. You can use this as a discovery list or as a content roadmap if you want to make your own demos and tutorials. Let's jump straight into the top 10 GitHub projects of the week. Number 10, TensorZero. If you're building real LLM features, not just demos, TensorZero is an open source stack designed for industrial-grade LLM applications. You get a unified gateway to different model providers, detailed logging and observability for prompts and responses, plus tools for evaluation, A/B testing, and routing. The core idea is to close the loop between your app and production. You don't just send prompts, you measure what happens, learn from it, and then automatically improve. Number 9, Agent Zero. This is an AI agent framework built to be transparent and highly customizable. It focuses on using the computer as a real tool, running commands, executing code, and even creating new tools to solve problems. Number 8, NetBird. NetBird helps you securely connect devices using a WireGuard-based overlay network, but with identity-aware features. Number 7, Nautilus Trader. This project is a high-performance algorithmic trading platform and event-driven backtester. Number 6, Claude Taskmaster. This project is all about structured task management for AI assistants inside tools like Cursor and Windsurf. Number 5, Quarkdown. Quarkdown takes familiar Markdown syntax and adds superpowers for documents, presentations, and books. Number 4, X-Ray Core. X-Ray Core is a networking platform focused on flexible routing, proxying, and advanced traffic management. Number 3, Self-LLM. This repository is a practical guide to fine-tuning and deploying open-source LLMs and multimodal models. Number 2, OnLook. OnLook brands itself as Cursor for Designers, an open-source visual editor for React applications. And finally, number 1, Anthropic's Prompt Engineering Interactive Tutorial. It packages prompt engineering lessons as interactive notebooks. That wraps up this week's top 10 trending GitHub repositories. If any of these projects caught your eye, all the links are in the description. Tell me in the comments which repo you want a deep dive for. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.